This free Claude for Teachers update is wild. What if every teacher in the country just got access to the same AI tools big companies build entire teams around for free starting this week, and almost nobody outside education has noticed yet? Stick around because this update is way bigger than the headline makes it sound. I help people learn how to actually use AI tools in real work, not just talk about them. Today, I want to walk you through a brand new release from Anthropic called Claude for Teachers. I'll show you exactly what's inside it, why it's a bigger deal than it looks, and what it tells us about where AI tools are heading next. Let's start with why this update even matters. During the last school year, 6 in 10 teachers said they used an AI tool for their work according to a Gallup survey. Just under a third used AI tools every week, and the teachers who used AI regularly said it saved them close to 6 hours every week. 6 hours. That's almost a full extra day back in a teacher's week. So teachers were already reaching for AI on their own without much support and without tools built specifically for the way they actually teach. That's the gap this update is trying to close. So here's what happened. On July 14th, 2026, Anthropic launched something called Claude for Teachers. It gives verified K to 12 teachers in the United States free access to premium Claude features, not a stripped down version. The same Claude that powers Claude Code and Claude Cowork. If a teacher signs up before June 30th, 2027, they get a full year of access. That's the headline. But the real story is what's under the hood. Claude for Teachers connects to something called Learning Commons. Learning Commons gives Claude access to academic standards across all 50 US states, not just the high level standards, but the smaller learning objectives underneath them and the order students usually learn them in. So when a teacher asks Claude to build a lesson plan, Claude isn't guessing, it's pulling from real curriculum. Anthropic also connected trusted educational resources like OpenSciED for science and Illustrative Mathematics IM360 for math. On top of that, Anthropic built a set of teaching skills directly into the product. These skills were co developed with Learning Commons and tested with real classroom teachers, including educators at Prospect Schools in Brooklyn. Two of the flagship skills are lesson planning using real instructional materials, differentiation, which means adapting one lesson so it works for students at different reading levels or different skill levels inside the same classroom. But lesson planning is only one part of the story. Here's where this update becomes even more interesting. Claude for Teachers also includes Claude Code and Claude Cowork. That means teachers aren't limited to typing one prompt and getting one answer back. Co-work lets Claude carry work forward on its own. Anthropic gave two examples. First, a teacher can hand Claude a folder containing a class roster, diagnostic scores, attendance, and personal classroom notes. Claude then builds a clear picture of where every student currently stands. Second, a teacher can set up a recurring task. For example, reviewing exit tickets every afternoon, identifying where students struggled, and automatically adjusting tomorrow's lesson plan. Anthropic describes it as Claude working while the teacher drives home. Claude for Teachers also connects to 9 different education tools through something called the Model Context Protocol. That list includes assessments for auto scored math problems, brisk teaching for classroom activities, Canva, education for turning teaching materials into finished designs, Code Teach for math diagrams, Diffit for adapting reading materials, ED for diagnostic questions, Magic School, Snorkel for tracking student progress, Teach FX for feedback based on real classroom conversations. Those integrations make Claude much more than just another chatbot. Instead of working in isolation, it becomes part of the tools teachers already use every day. Now, let's talk about the part almost nobody outside education pays attention to: data privacy. Anthropic built specific privacy terms for this product. It's called the K to 12 Data Processing Addendum, and it's written to comply with FERPA, the main federal law protecting student education records in the United States. By default, nothing a teacher shares inside Claude for Teachers is used to train Anthropic's AI models. That's a real distinction because many free AI tools quietly use your conversations and data to improve their systems in the background. Here, Anthropic is saying that's turned off by default for every verified educator account. Anthropic also partnered with the American Federation of Teachers, one of the largest teachers' unions in the country, to build what they call a gold standard for safety and privacy in K 12 education. Randy Weingarten, the president of the AFT, explained that the goal is giving teachers more time for the human relationships at the heart of learning. That line really changes how you look at this product. This isn't about replacing teachers, it's about giving them back the hours they're currently losing to lesson planning, paperwork, and administrative work. There's also a training component to all of this. Anthropic released something called AI Fluency for K to 12 teachers. It's a course built together with Teach for America, along with a Train the Trainer program developed alongside the American Federation of Teachers. What's interesting is that this course is model agnostic. That means it isn't only about Claude. Instead, it teaches teachers where AI is genuinely useful in the classroom and how to use it responsibly regardless of which AI model they're using. Even better, Anthropic released the course under a Creative Commons license. That means schools can freely use it, modify it, and adapt it to their own classrooms. And Anthropic isn't just launching this product and moving on, they're also running a real world evaluation inside the Detroit Public Schools Community District. Teachers there will actually use Claude for Teachers, while researchers study its impact on teacher well being, classroom practice, and everyday teaching workflows. That pilot also connects to a broader partnership Anthropic has with the Gates Foundation, focused on improving outcomes for K 12 education. On top of that, a company called PlayLab is supporting a network of schools implementing these AI tools, helping teachers become builders of classroom solutions instead of just users. That's actually one of the most interesting parts of this announcement. Anthropic isn't treating Claude for Teachers like another AI demo. They're building an entire ecosystem around it. They're investing in teacher training, curriculum integration, classroom research, privacy, school partnerships, and long term implementation. That's a much bigger commitment than simply releasing another chatbot feature. And when you zoom out, you start to notice something. Claude for Teachers doesn't exist in isolation. It's really a showcase for several tools Anthropic has been quietly building across the entire Claude platform. The first is Claude Cowork. It's designed for handing repetitive work over to Claude so it can continue working in the background. Instead of repeating the same workflow every day, you schedule it once and Claude keeps handling it automatically. Then there's Claude Design. You simply describe what you want: a worksheet, a slide presentation, a classroom handout, or another teaching resource, and Claude generates a complete draft that's ready to edit. Another feature is Claude for Chrome. Instead of constantly copying information between browser tabs, Claude can actually understand the web pages you're viewing, extract the important information, and organize everything in one place. Finally, there's Claude Skills. This is really the customization layer underneath the entire platform. Teachers already receive built in skills like lesson planning and differentiation, but they can also create their own custom skills. For example, a grading rubric, a report card format, a parent communication template, or any workflow they use repeatedly. Once it's saved as a skill, Claude follows that same structure every single time. When you combine all four together, co-work, design, Chrome, and skills, you begin to see what Anthropic is actually building. This isn't one new feature added onto a chatbot. It's a complete productivity toolkit designed around real work. And Claude for Teachers is simply the education focused version of that larger platform. So here's the real takeaway from all of this: Claude for Teachers isn't just another free AI product for educators, it's a preview of where Anthropic is taking the entire Claude platform. The company isn't just building a chatbot anymore, they're building AI systems that understand your work, connect to your existing tools, adapt to different users, follow structured workflows, and continue working even after you've closed your laptop. That's a much bigger shift than simply making AI better at answering questions. Instead of acting like a search engine, Claude is gradually becoming a real productivity assistant. And that's why this announcement matters even if you're not a teacher, because the same technologies powering Claude for Teachers, like co-work, skills, design, and deeper integrations, are likely to appear across many different industries. Imagine similar workflows for designers, software developers, marketers, HR teams, finance professionals, healthcare, customer support, and small business owners. Education just happens to be the first place where Anthropic has packaged everything together into one complete solution. If this rollout is successful, Don't be surprised to see similar versions built specifically for other professions in the near future. And honestly, that's probably the biggest reason this announcement deserves attention. It's less about teachers, it's more about where AI products are heading over the next few years. We're moving from AI that simply answers questions to AI that actually understands workflows, collaborates with people, and helps complete real work from start to finish. That's a much bigger change than another model getting slightly smarter. So if you've only been thinking of Claude as another chatbot, this update is a good reminder that Anthropic has much bigger ambitions. And based on everything they've announced here, this is probably only the beginning. So that's Claude for teachers. At first, it looks like a free AI tool for educators, but it's really a glimpse into where AI is heading. Tools that don't just answer questions, but actually help you get work done. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more AI updates explained in a simple and practical way. And let me know in the comments, would you use Claude for teachers if it was available in your country? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.